channel. Today's video will be all about my Louis Vuitton Petit Malle. I will finally be filming my review and what's in my bag as well. So if you're interested and want to hear my thoughts on this little trunk, keep watching. I will also put 2 or 3 outfits together so you can see how to style it in different ways. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, I will start with what's in my bag. I haven't done a what's in my bag video for a very long time. I decided I will combine what's in my bag with a short review because you've been asking me to review this bag, so I decided I will do 2 in 1 and show you what I have in my bag as well. You can see what fits inside the bag. So I guess I'll start with what's in my bag so I can empty the bag and then show you the bag inside and give you a little review and I tell you what I think, is it worth purchasing and all that. So I will start with what's hanging on my bag. I don't go anywhere without these. I bought these AirPods recently and I got a case as well. This case is really cute because it has a little hook, and if I don't have space inside my little bags, I can always put it as a charm, and it looks really cute as well. They do these cases in different colors. I'll try to link this one. I think I showed you this in one of my favorites videos as far as I remember, so it might be sold out, but I'll try to link it. I actually ordered 2 more, one in black and one in white. So yeah, anyway, these are my AirPods. The case is quite bulky, so there is no space inside the bag, but let's see what's inside the bag. I'll try not to spill everything, but this is how my bag looks on the inside. I have my card holder, which is not the slimmest card holder. This one is from YSL. I've had this for the longest time. If I know I won't be needing all my cards, or if I want to put something else instead, I'll get 1 or 2 and put them in the little pocket that I'll show you later. So I also have this compact mirror with hairbrush. I don't have a compact powder. I don't really powder my face throughout the day that much. So instead I got this little brush with a mirror. So I can brush my hair because it's long and it gets messy. Also in my bag you can find, of course, my keys, and my keychain is quite bulky as well. As you can see, I have these charms. If I need more space, I can remove the little charms and just bring the keys. The bag is getting empty. I have lipstick. This is the lipstick I'm wearing. You always ask me what I'm wearing on my lips, and I always wear this. Like, if you watch my probably last 5-6 videos, I'm always wearing this lipstick, and I always link it in the description box. It is by Tom Ford, by the way, and this is the one from the Lips and Boys collection, I think it was called, so it's smaller. Then also you can find in my bag a little perfume. This is my favorite Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. I can't bring the whole bottle in here. So these little testers could be quite useful. You can go to a perfume counter and they'll give you some. And last in my bag, you can find in my little pocket a plaster. I feel that I always need a plaster, so I always have at least 1 in my bag. In my larger bags I bring more, like a full box with plasters. But I always have at least 1 in my small bags, and the bag, as you can see, is completely empty. let's talk a little bit about this beautiful bag. This bag I got in May for my birthday. Beginning of May I went to Paris, and this was a very unplanned purchase. I wasn't planning on buying this particular bag. I had other bags on my wish list, but if you're interested and want to hear the full story, you can go watch my unboxing. It's a very chatty unboxing video, so you can see what I bought from Paris. I'll try to link it somewhere here. I've always been a fan of the Louis Vuitton trunks. I've always wanted one, so maybe in the future I can get myself one of the big Louis Vuitton trunks. So this is a smaller version of the Louis Vuitton trunks. This bag is inspired by the Louis Vuitton's heritage in trunk making. They shrunk it in this little piece. Petit Malle means little trunk, translated from French. I can't really afford to buy one of the Louis Vuitton trunks now, but I have this little beauty to look at and admire in my collection. It's a very classic piece, and I thought this will be in my collection forever. I love buying classic bags that I know won't go out of style very quick. I think this bag has been around for quite a few years now, and it is one of Louis Vuitton's classic bags now. I think this is considered a classic now. Initially I didn't want to buy it because of the size. Louis Vuitton actually changed the size of this bag. They made it slightly larger. The previous size couldn't even fit an iPhone Plus. So now it's a bit more practical. You can fit your phone together with a phone case. So if you have the Louis Vuitton, what was it called? The Louis Vuitton phone case, the one, I forgot the name of the case, I think it has a name. Anyway, it's quite bulky as well, so if you have that one, it fits inside the bag as well, and you can definitely fit a little bit more, not a lot, but you can fit your essentials. I'm a very minimalistic person, so I don't like to bring many things with me anyway. Like if you see my large handbags, I pretty much have the same things with me. Maybe a few more lip glosses, but that's it pretty much. So to me, when I'm buying a bag, it is very important that the bag could fit the essentials that I need for every day when I go out. I wanted to use this bag as an everyday bag, but I also wanted to use it as an evening clutch. I also wanted a bag that I can wear all seasons. In this bag you can wear all seasons. You can wear it in the winter, in the summer. Also the color is very neutral, so it goes with everything in my wardrobe. This bag comes in many different colors, so if you're not a fan of the Louis Vuitton monogram prints, you can pick this bag in black, pink, white, gold, silver. I think they do metallic finishes as well. I personally love the black one with the white crosses. So I've been using this bag for months now, and I literally want to reach and grab this bag every single time I go out. I feel bad for my other bags because I don't wear them as much, but since I bought this bag, I've been wearing it so much. You can already see some wear. I'll try to insert some close-up shots. So you can see the corners are a bit scratched, the hardware is a bit scratched as well. Not a lot, but a little bit. You can see that I've been wearing the bag. I don't like to baby my bag, and this bag is very sturdy, hard wearing. I also absolutely love the detailing on the bag. I love the 3 red crosses. I think they're really cute. The aged gold hardware is absolutely beautiful. I'll try to insert a clip again so you can see the detail on the little hooks and also on the strap. I also love how they put 8 metal caps on the corners of the bag so the corners don't get scruffy. The bag itself I think is wooden, and when you open it inside, this is how it opens. It has a magnetic closure which is actually quite strong, so sometimes it could be a bit difficult to open. But this is the bag inside. The inside lining is sheep leather. As you can see, the bag has quilting effect, and then this is the other side with the little pockets that I mentioned earlier. It's not very practical, that pocket. Sometimes if I put coins, it is almost impossible to get them out, especially if you have long nails. Even when I put my debit cards inside, sometimes it could be a bit difficult to get them out of that little pocket, so it's not very convenient. But if you need to fit more and don't want to bring a wallet or a card case, you can take it out and just put the cards that you need in that little pocket. The strap is a really good length. You can remove the strap and wear the bag as a clutch. and I don't really have a nice evening clutch, so this is my evening clutch now. I use it as an evening clutch, but you can remove the strap and you can also regulate the strap and make it longer or shorter depending on how low or high you want the bag to sit on your body. The strap is very thin, but I actually really like the strap. It's very comfortable. But I've also tried this bag on with the Louis Vuitton Monogrammed Strap. I think I tried it on in Paris. I'll see if I can find a picture so I can show you it. I'm not sure if I have a picture. I actually want to show you the strap that I have. I will put this on and show you how the bag looks with this strap that I have. It's a shorter, thicker strap with pearls, so you can change the straps and use the bag with different straps. I think this bag will be a good investment, so if you're considering buying them, maybe it will be good if you buy it now before it goes up in price again. I'm saying again because when it first came out, I remember it was 2,700 or 2,700 or 2,800 pounds, and now the price is, are you guys ready? 3,500 pounds. This is insane. It is ridiculous for such a small bag. But again, I think it was worth like cost per wear. I've worn this bag so many times now that I don't regret buying it. I know it's a lot of money to spend on such a tiny bag, but when you get the bag and when you look at it, like the craftsmanship, the detailing, you can see why the bag is so expensive. I really hope I'm not forgetting anything. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments down below. I actually just noticed something that I wanted to mention. I have to bring my Louis to the boutique and ask them to clean something for me. I've noticed something right here on the top. I will try to get that on camera. I'm not sure if it will show, but it's these little white marks. I tried to remove them, but it didn't work. I think it might be glue. I know it's very tiny, but it is kind of annoying because it's on the top of the bag, so every time I open the bag I can see this whatever it is. So I'll ask them to clean that for me. I think it might be glue, I'm not sure what it is. I tried to wipe it with baby wipes, water, it didn't work, so I'll just bring it to the store. I don't want to damage the bag so ask them to clean it for me. Alright guys, so that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you have a Louis Vuitton Petit Malle, let me know how you like it. Do you think it's a good investment? Would you recommend it to a friend or not? I personally 100% recommend the bag. I think it's amazing. In case I've missed something, you can always ask me a question and I'll try to reply down below. I didn't measure the bag, so I didn't give you any measurements, but you can find that on the official website. I'll link the bag down below as well, so you can check it out if you're interested. So yeah, that's it. I really hope this video was helpful and interesting. If you want to see more outfits and how I style this bag, you can see more pictures and outfit inspiration on my Instagram, which you can see here. I'll insert a short clip so you can see my Instagram feed. But I upload outfit pictures so you can see how I style not only this bag but all my handbags. I show you all my new purchases and also my favorite products. So if you're interested, you can come say hi on my Instagram. Also, I'll link my other social media platforms down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!